Swadika, I'm Cholapansa Narula. Welcome to Thailand today. In this episode, we will take a look at holistic medicine, the beauty industry, and the future of anti-aging with one of the pioneers in the field, Dr. Orawan Kitchawenkun of Dr.Orawan Medical Center in Bangkok. Swadika, Dr. Orawan, thank you so much for joining us. It's a pleasure to have you back on the program. You're known for blending Eastern and Western approaches to help people really achieve real health and beauty inside out. This is holistic medicine. So to begin, can you explain to us what holistic medicine is in simpler terms and how can it really help achieve true health and beauty?
Yes, holistic, as people always mention, is to take care of the body, mind, spirit, and social in the way that harmony of this. Then we make it like holistic way, which in medicine is very important too. This is a normal understanding, but in medicine, if we want to categorize more in details, we may look at 4 levels. Like the first level is about the body and what you see, what you can touch, or the procedure in medicine that do what you can see, can you touch, like surgery or a massage, something like that, or even chiropractic. And the second level is at the cellular level. Cellular level is like what you cannot see by eyes, but you can look into the microscope or check from the lab what the biological in what come to replacement in your body, like maybe vitamin, cell therapy, or hyperbaric oxygen, anything that vitamin, mineral, or hormone, or even enzyme that can affect to the cellular level, or we can call it like molecular level too. And the third level is about energy. Energy medicine is the third level to make holistic. The most important and be the best for every energy medicine is the Chinese traditional medicine. You can see they do the acupuncture, they do massage, tuina on the meridian lines, which all this nowadays has been approved that we can check the energy and the meridian line by equipment now. So this is the third level that we will emphasize on in medicine. And for the fourth level is the most important thing, is the consciousness level, which is the level that is the like spiritual level. It's the level that we use the mindfulness to control our body and mind. And this is the most important and is the goal that why we are born for. Because if this level in the peacefulness, then you have intuition and you can solve problem and even have peacefulness and it's the real happy that happen to you and is controlled to the other 3 upper level that I have mentioned. So for holistic care, when we take care of people, in the old time we may look at only physical, that they have any problem, but now they have been proven that many diseases come from mind or spiritual too. Like you still have some angry, still have some depression, anxiety in your mind. This can affect to your body, to your social response, and also to your body, like the gut system will be imbalanced, your blood pressure may be shooting high, and the more stress, we know that our cell division all the time, when you have stressfulness, this can make the division aberrant and may be the cause of cancer too. So holistic care, we will see the patient make consultation to see the whole things that surround them, to make the whole people they are and the problem they are facing too. Yeah.
So this philosophy is very powerful, but to put them all into practice, can you share with us your personal approach to holistic practice and how can we ensure that all the factors you mentioned is in fact covered to achieve this combined holistic result?
So to take more time for the doctor nowadays to do holistic care, because when you mention about mind, it's a very complex and more than body. The body you can look at the lab or see the physical side symptom that you can see by eyes or the lab. But for the mind, you need to be very, it's the sophisticated to ask questions, to let them remind them about in the past what is the real cause for his or her illness. So to combine this, you need to have empathy to the clients first, so they can release all the problem to you, and then we can solve the problem to the root, because many problem the root come from the mind too. Yeah.
Do you have any patient stories or common cases demonstrating that you have seen visible improvements from this internal health shifts?
Nowadays, I think many people are stressful, and we can see very clearly that the people nowadays, the BMI, the weight per the height that show you about, if it's more than 25, it will be overweight or obesity. And this problem, many come from stress too. And many people who have this will be end up with diabetes, hypertension, and even heart disease, fatty liver, because of the stressful make them eat more. When they eat more and with the stressful workload, they did not sleep well, or this like vicious cycle make them have diabetes because of the overeating habit, make the insulin resistant. So the blood sugar become high, and also hypertension coming, and even heart disease, and even turn to stroke or even cancer. So many cases, if you look into the details of the history, you will find that someone, even you treat with the best medicine, it cannot cure. But when you can relieve, each step we have to treat, like reduce the weight first and find the cause, and make them, like nowadays we talk about lifestyle medicine, is to focus on the lifestyle, to make the lifestyle to be in the way that harmony and good, because sometimes we are addict to our bad habits, so we have to change. Change is the key words that can bring us to the normal health and healthy, even become younger, because if you have peaceful mind, all this will show up to your expression, and you can cope with problem better. And even medicine, if you don't treat from the root, you have to step up more and more medicine. When you use more medicine, you have more side effect. So we should go to the lifestyle medicine to do the right way to your life. They have 6 pillars of lifestyle medicine. Is the exercise, the diet, nutrition, and also the air that you inhale, and the water that you take, the sleep, and the gut system. You need to have good defecation and good food, no bloating, something like that. And most important, you need to sleep well too. When you sleep enough, the body repair yourself. So all the cases, if we see into the details, we can know the cause, and we can treat from the root, and it will be easier. If you understand and go step by step, you can conquer. You can be your best self and be your best health come back. No need to take medicine or be the disease through your lifetime.
Thailand's strategic vision positions MICE as a national growth engine. Through the Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau, or TCEP, the government implements a 5-year master plan to elevate the MICE industry. This includes digital transformation, green standards, and enhanced regional connectivity through smart MICE cities across the country. With streamlined public-private partnerships and one ministry, one convention policy, Thailand aims to attract world-class events and generate inclusive economic growth. The goal is clear: to welcome over 34 million MICE travelers by 2025 and reaffirm Thailand as Asia's MICE powerhouse.
Now let's turn from holistic medicine into beauty. You've been in the field of wellness for quite a long time. Has your idea of beauty changed, especially with social media influences today?
Beauty change, I think nowadays is very advanced. You cannot guess what the age of the people you are looking at because the technology in beauty and dermatology is very advanced. In the past, we have a laser to help you for changing the texture of the skin or even make the contraction, make the lifting up and also simulate your collagen. And we have some Botox. Botox is the botulinum toxin is come from bacteria to the toxin help you release the muscle contraction is where you have tension like the frown line, the forehead line or the atrophic line. This can be like eradicated by Botox. But in the same time, the technique is more advanced now. They find the technique to use Botox to help lifting without with more natural look and even can aggravate the wound healing and help the hair growth too.
Oh, hair growth as well?
Yeah, and the third thing is about filler. Filler is the one that you fill up the groove, the lines that is happen when you are slimmer or you get aging. This filler in old time there are many that have side effect, but now they develop a new innovative way that the filler is now is have many kinds like light, medium or hard shape.
And safer as well.
Safer and more specific to the area. And in the past we have collagen from bovine which we can use to fill in the place that we need collagen. But because of it's from bovine and people become allergy to it, so it's changed to filler. And now it's the era come back to collagen again, but now come from genetic engineering from human collagen. So the advanced technology make us can feel the collagen that's natural and no side effect. This is the good side of the cosmetic or beauty. If you have some area that have fat accumulate and you want to get rid of it, in the old time we may do liposuction or cut the excess fat out, but nowadays they have like the solution that can inject into the area to make the fat, we call lipolysis. So no need to do the harmful liposuction because they have case report that when they do liposuction they have accidentally have fat emboli and make the clot to the heart vessel and the people die from liposuction about 1%, even it's 1%, but it's serious for beauty, you should not die.
That's true.
Yeah, so that's the way beauty come along the new era now. People are more looking young, more beautiful with lesser side effect.
I see. Wow, that's a pretty innovative world, I would say. But as the world of beauty advances, there are opportunities, there are challenges. And what about mistakes? The common mistakes that you find in the world of beauty that might actually be harmful, because we're talking about holistic well-being. Are there any common mistakes that you find? For example, people over-rely on quick fixes to get an injection and look young instantly, but they forget to take a look at the root causes of problems maybe, or unregulated products?
I think now because the technology is advanced and doctor have to learn and practice, but still everything have some side effect. We have to get into the details and study before we jump into any treatment. The most dangerous that we are very afraid of is the using filler when you inject and it may be accidentally inject the filler into the blood vessel. This can cause like blindness. There are many case report of blindness from filler because the vessel on the face there are many variety, and we cannot see by eyes. Sometimes maybe accidentally inject into the vessel. Even it's far away from the eye, it still have the anastomose vessel go into the eyes and can cause blindness. And even skin necrosis at that area. That is the most serious one.
But this depends on the experience of the physician, not the product itself. Is that correct?
sometimes it's accident. It's really accidental because physicians even train very well and use the blunt cannula that will not usually cannot penetrate to the vessel, but still have some accident that it's accidentally penetrate into the vessel, which no one know, and it's obstruct the vessel, which make the occlusive effect, make the emboli go to the eyes artery, the retinal artery, and cause blindness.
So accidents can happen. How to avoid it then?
I think the best is do the less for the filler.
The lesser the better.
There are many kinds of treatment that can help you, and do only what you need to do. Don't over or too over excess to do it. Like someone already nice, they want to feel more. Their lips look nice already, they want it to be bigger, to look more attractive, something like that. I think the most way is to do the least that you need.
Less is more.
Yeah, less is more. Yes.
Let's segue into anti-aging because a lot of people talk about anti-aging, looking after themselves, longevity. How would you reframe aging in a healthier, holistic way? Appearance, heart, mind, and soul.
I think it's in a holistic way. So when we talk about aging, the first thing is we want to be healthy. We don't want only lifespan without health span. So we want to be aged with good looking and strong, not aged with bedridden, something like that. So for anti-aging medicine now is very worldwide. We can do the lab checkup to see about the telomere, is about your lifespan, and about the epigenetic to see about the biological age. Like your biological age is your actual age from the cell in the body of each organ. Now they can check up to see each organ of your organ, how old is the organ compared to your chronological age, is your actual age on the ID. So this, when it come up, you can know and like make more sophisticated planning to help your age gracefully, and also make the lifespan longer and help your health span longer too, your healthy span longer too.
So it does really help support longevity,
Yes,
especially telomere. We've heard, I've heard telomere quite a lot these days.
Yes.
Is that the best way to assess how old you are inside and then plan, what to do?
When we talk about how old we do biological age, but when you talk about telomere, it's about health, the lifespan, because at the DNA end of our chromosome, they have the part called telomere. When we are young, the telomere is very long. It means that our life life cycle will be many years. But if it's become shorter by aging or by any factor that ruin your life, so the telomere will become shorter and shorter. So by the telomere, we can see how long will you survive, and we can change it too.
How do you do that?
By lifestyle medicine.
Oh, to reduce stress, exercise well, sleep well.
All this.
Very simple.
Yeah. And even we can check, sometimes we are lost in some hormone deficiency or enzyme deficiency and vitamin deficiency. All this can be replaced and make it better. Yeah.
Well, there are many ways to achieve a healthy lifespan, but what would you say would be the most effective way? The thing that you should do first, is that to handle stress? Is that to start from sleeping at least 8 hours or drink lots of water? What would you say? That one person can come up, you have to do this first.
You have to all this.
All together at once.
But before doing that, we may need to do the check-up to know about our status, that how about our biological age, our telomere, all this, like to make it in the precise medicine, we call precision medicine, because we cannot guess until you have all the biological markers. This can help us tailor-make program for each client or even to ourselves to be healthy, and this can be follow up. For genetic, you may check only one time about your gene that your parents give to you, but epigenetic means that the surrounding that can affect to your gene of expression. They said what we are now, only about 20% come from the gene, 80% is come from ourselves, our lifestyle.
How do we live?
Yeah.
And that creates the epigenetics.
Yes.
So it flows, it changes. So if we change how we live, our diet and everything, we can live a healthier life.
Yes, and even in the past, when we talk about medicine, we always emphasize on the diseases and how to treat them. Nowadays, the philosophy changed. We want to prevention, and we talk about wellness, means that we are doing well with our health is wellness, not talking about disease. For wellness is like proactive and prevention, and we can live like healthy, happily with the new lifestyle.
Thailand, a land of success and reward. Reward your team with an extraordinary journey that celebrates their dedication and achievements. Immerse yourself in breathtaking natural landscapes. Indulge in the soothing touch of traditional Thai massages. Savor the diverse flavors of Thai cuisine and experience the charm of a culture rich in heritage. Give more than just relaxation. Give lasting inspiration. This incentive travel journey is more than just a reward. It's an opportunity to strengthen team bonds, ignite inspiration, and create lasting memories. Discover Thailand, your ideal MICE destination. Inspire your team today.
Now, when we talk about lifestyle, I'd like to ask you more about food, nutrition. It's one of the daily habits that we can totally improve. Like today, I can improve my diet. And a lot of people have been talking about the microbiome ecosystem or the gut health you mentioned. And they say that's a second brain. So one question would be, how do you improve the gut health, and why is it the second brain? How does it impact your whole being, in a holistic point of view?
The gut system, nowadays we all know that we have the probiotic, which live without since birth, and the probiotic is like a very good friend of us to help us in everything. When we talk about gut-brain axis, means that it can help you producing the neurotransmitter in the brain, help you think fast, what you call have peaceful mind or something like that, and cope with problem without stressfulness. This is, and now all approved that the probiotic is help you for the immune system to prevent cancer. Some probiotic like Lactobacillus pentactis, this one can help bring the immune up, so you can prevent cancer by the probiotic, or even treat the cancer case. We will give probiotic that combine with this kind of probiotic. Even probacteria, some kind can help you control weight and help you produce some hormone, make the hormone balancing, which all this is affect you as a holistic too, because hormone can affect your mind, your immunity and everything, and even the neurotransmitter can control your thought, the way you express to other people. These are all in a holistic way, so we need to make all this in the proper way and in the modest way.
But then there's so many strains of pre-probiotics. How do we know what is best for us?
Nowadays you can do the fecal checkup for your probiotic and have literature already like conclude that which probiotic help for which disease.
Oh.
Yeah. So before this, many people now they have the GERD, or we call
The acid reflux?
Yeah, or yes, reflux, and also the leaky gut.
Ah.
You have the leaky gut is come from maybe you have stressful and you have many acidity in the gut and make some inflammation in your stomach, in your GI system. The inflammation make you cannot digest food in a very minute particles like before. And when this digestion is not complete and the body, the membrane of the gut have inflammation, so it may absorb the not complete digested particles into your body, make you become allergy to that bad food, like maybe rice, which you take since you are birth, but now when you do the test and it come out that you have allergy to rice. This means that you did not have hive or any diarrhea when you eat rice, but the antibody to the rice can deposit in any parts of the body. If it deposit into your brain, may cause migraine. Deposit to your skin may cause psoriasis, vitiligo, or deposit in your joint make you have joint pain, something like this. We call nowadays if the unknown allergic disease, we will suggest to do the food intolerance test, which is testing that your body have any antibody to any diet. Even you have it before and never have problem, but maybe sometimes that you have diarrhea means that you have infection and the gut is inflamed, so make leaky gut coming. The leaky gut leak and make the food that is not digested well go into your body system and have antibody complex to the organs and cause unknown allergic disease. And if we check this, we just stop that diet for 3 to 6 months, then the antibody will be get rid of from your body. So now you can, when you retest, there are no antibody to, if I'm a sample like rice, you make zero antibody to rice, then you can come back to eat it at normal. It's not lifetime allergy. It's because of your leaky gut at that moment.
Wow, that needs to be cured.
Yes.
Let me ask you a bit more about nutrition. We hear something called nutraceuticals today, and it's known to help transform health at the cellular level. Is it so? Is it true?
Yes, that's why they call nutraceutical. Nutra is like from natural, from diet, from food, and make it like food as medicine. That's called ceutical. That's nowadays we treat people with nutraceutical or diet as medicine, because when you use natural things, it will not stay with you for long. But if you use chemical is like the body cannot get rid of it. When it go into your body, it stay there and may cause a burden to many organs.
Now, looking ahead with the new technologies that is coming in, is there anything you are excited about when it comes to health and beauty?
Exciting. I excite every day. There are new things coming up and help people more and more. I think we are in the era of advantage in technology, but in the same time, we should be emphasized on the most important thing of our life is the mindfulness, the consciousness. I think this is the most important. It is the base to control everything. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Dr. Orawan, for sharing your perspectives with us on holistic medicine. It is truly inspiring to hear how we can actually live a healthier and more balanced life at any age. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And that's it for today's program, Thailand Today, from the both of us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. As for now, สวัสดีค่ะ